If you are wondering what is the recommended charger for Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, then the answer seems to be very simple. If you are looking for the best recommended charger, then in that case it is going to be a Samsung charger. So of course we're looking for genuine Samsung power adapter, and it should have at least 25 watts. The reason why 25 or more is because the phone can charge its battery using 25 watts at most. So if you happen to find a Samsung power adapter that has 25, 30, 35 and so on, it should be perfect for your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8. Of course, while Samsung's power adapter is the recommended option and the most optimized one, you don't really need to limit yourself to the Samsung's power adapter. If you are looking for some alternatives, then I can also recommend you using other well-known brands. So for example, Google, let's say Motorola, OnePlus, Oppo, Xiaomi, and so on and so forth. So essentially you're looking for a power adapter made by a brand that is somewhat popular. I would avoid, of course, using knockoffs and stick with those well-known brands. And in the case of watts, it is exactly the same thing. So even if you don't get a Samsung power adapter, you are still looking for a power adapter that has 25 watts at least. So that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.